How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, we are going to learn English and see subject English, and new lesson we are going to learn. Lesson 6, the rarest animal of all. Topic what? Lesson 6, the rarest animal of all. Okay, children, see lesson 6, the rarest animal of all. Okay, children, see it's written by Dr. Dolittle. Who is the author here? Dr. Dolittle. He is a beloved character from a series of books by Hugh Lofting. Okay, in the book, from the book Hugh Lofting only, they have taken this one. The good doctor can talk to any animal in its own language. Dr. Dolittle can speak to the animal in its own language, and he sails around the world helping animals everywhere. And see, he is helping the animals everywhere. So we are going to see here. So only they have written, read about his encounter with the rarest animal in Africa. In Africa, a rarest animal is there. That animal only we are going to see. See, can you see the picture? Can you see the picture, children? This is the animal. The animal name is Pushmi Pullu. Pushmi Pullu. It has, see, 2 heads at the back. Have you seen, children? No one has seen, isn't it? Because it is now extinct. Extinct means what? Now it is no more. Now it's no more. Before years back, long years back, we had this animal, and now it is no more. See how nice to see 2 heads. Isn't it, children? We have seen a snake with the 2 heads. Have you seen, children? I think some of them have seen in the zoo, isn't it? So they would have kept. But animal with 2 heads, and this animal name is what? Pushmi Pullu. Okay, children? Okay, children, see. Pushmi Pullus are now extinct. Extinct means what, children? That means they aren't anymore. They aren't anymore. But long ago, when Dr. Dolittle was alive, now Dr. Dolittle also is not alive. When he was alive, there was some of them still left in the deepest jungles of Africa. Deepest means what? Inside the forest, thick forest. No one can go inside. Like that place only this animal was living. And even when they were very rare, means what? Only few animals were found. They had no tail. They had no tail. Instead of that, at the both each end they had a head and a sharp horns on each head. They were very shy and terribly hard to catch. We cannot catch because, see, can you see the picture, children? See, they had 2 heads, and see the horns. This is horns means kombu, isn't it? So when we go to catch, what will happen? This both heads are there. If you come this side also, it can see. When we come this side also, we can see. So it escaped. So we cannot catch the animal. We cannot catch the animal. Many of them were trying, but no one could catch this animal. So which way you came towards a Pushmi Pullu, he was always facing you. And besides, only 1/2 of the slept at a time. See, both the heads, both heads are there. Only one head will be, one side head only will be sleeping, and other will be awake. So at the night time also we cannot catch, because one head will be awake, so it escapes. So they will take turns to sleep. They will take turns to sleep. This was why they were never caught and never seen in zoos. This animal we couldn't see in zoos. Wherever we go, no, this animal was not found in the zoos. Though many of the greatest huntsmen means what? That they will go to catch, isn't it? They will go to catch the animals, and the cleverest menagerie keepers. And what? Menagerie keepers. Menagerie keepers means what, children? See here. Persons who look after a collection of wild animals. A person who look after a collection of wild animals. Rarest means what, children? Uncommon. Rarest means uncommon. Okay, children. So they also couldn't find this animal. So they spent years of their lives searching through the jungles in all weathers. All weathers means what? Hot or cold. At all the weathers, what they were doing? They were searching for Pushmi Puliyu. But not a single one had ever been caught. So they couldn't catch any one of the Pushmi Puliyu also. Even then, years ago, he was the only animal in the world with two heads. This Pushmi Puliyu is the only animal which is having two heads. One day, the monkeys set out looking for this animal through the forest. Who were that monkeys, children? The monkeys were all were pet of Dr. Dolittle. Dr. Dolittle, in his house, he was having what all he was having? He was having monkeys, he was having duck, he was having dog also. Okay, children. So the monkeys was trying to catch the Pushmi Puliyu, and they wanted to make happy. They wanted to get good name, or they want to make their master happy. So what they were doing? They were looking for this animal through the forest, and after they had gone many miles, they were going many miles. One of them found a strange footprints. Footprints means what? Kal Tadam, they will tell, isn't it? Now, near the edge of a river, because that animal would have come to drink water, and they knew that a Pushmi Puliyu must be very near that spot. They know in that place, in the inside Africa only, that Pushmi Puliyu is there. So they could find out it's a strange footprint. So they thought this is a Pushmi Puliyu's footprint. So they went near the spot, and what happened? Then they went along the bank of the river, because the bank of the river means Karayoram. Near the bank, near the river they went a little way, and they saw a place where the grass was high. High means what? Uyarama. Okay, children, and thick, and they guessed that he was in there. So they thought some sound was there. So what they thought? The Pushmi Puliyu would have been inside this grass. So what they did? So they all joined hands, because not one monkey went, many monkeys went. So what they thought of a plan? They joined their hands and made a great circle around the high grass. The Pushmi Puliyu heard them coming, and he tried hard to break through the ring of monkeys. Ring of monkeys means what? They made a circle, that is called ring. Okay, but he couldn't do it. When he saw that it was no use trying to escape, he sat down and waited to see what they wanted. So they were trying to escape, but they couldn't escape. So what they did? Okay, we cannot escape, so we will sit down and wait to see what they wanted. So they asked him if he would go with Dr. Dolittle and be put on show in the land of men. See what the monkeys are asking. Can you go with Dr. Dolittle so that they will put you on show? Means what? In the zoo means in the circus and all, what they will do? They will make the animals to play something, and they all men will pay money to see that show, isn't it? So the monkeys were telling, if you go with Dolittle, he will put on show in the land of men. Land of men means where the men are living, because they are in the forest. They cannot see men in the forest. So land of men. So what Pushmi Puliyu is doing, it shook both his heads and head hard and said, certainly not. No, I am not going to do. I certainly not, it said. They explained to him that he would not be shut up in the zoo. Shut up in the zoo means, see, many animals they will be catching, and they will be putting inside the like a jail it will be, isn't it? So they cannot go free outside. So they told, we are not going to put you in the zoo. Only we are going to make you to make a show. But surely they said, no, I won't come. So what happened? But would just be looked at. They said him that the doctor was very kind. But the monkeys were speaking the truth only, because doctor was very kind to animals. but hadn't any money. He was very poor. He was very poor, and people would pay to see a two-headed animal, and the doctor would get rich and could pay for the boat he had borrowed to come to Africa. So what they did, if he shows you to the land of men, they would pay money to see you, so that it would help the Dr. Dolittle to become rich, and he can pay the money because they have borrowed a boat to come to Africa. So they can pay money for the boat also. So you help him like that. They are speaking. Can you see the monkeys here, children? See, here the monkeys. They are seeing the footprints. See, this is the footprints of Pushmi Puliyu. Understood? They are seeing the footprints. But he answered, "No, you know how shy I am." So Pushmi Puliyu is telling, "No, I am very shy. I hate being stared. It means I hate people see me. I hate the people see me." And he almost began to cry. So the Pushmi Puliyu started to cry. Then for 3 days the monkeys tried to persuade him. Persuade him means accept him. Okay, children. For 3 days they are speaking to the Pushmi Puliyu. And at the end of the 3rd day, what happened? He said he would come with them and see what kind of a man the doctor was first. Okay, so at last Pushmi Puliyu accepted, and what it was telling, I will come and I will see how the Dr. Dolittle behaves to us. So the monkeys travelled back with Pushmi Puliyu, and when they came to where the doctor's little house of grass, see, his house was made of grass. His house was made of grass because he was very poor. They knocked on the door. They knocked on the door. Okay, the duck who was packing the trunk said, "Come in." So they are entering the house, and first to whom they are seeing? They are seeing the duck. The duck who was packing the trunk said, "Come in." So the duck is welcoming Pushmi Puliyu, and Chi-Chi very proudly took the animal inside and showed him to the doctor. Here Chi-Chi is monkey. Chi-Chi is monkey. Okay, children. So they are showing this animal to the doctor. What in the world is it? What in the world is it? Is it? Asked John Dolittle. Asked John Dolittle, gazing at the stranger creature. So Dolittle is surprised to see the strange creature. Dolittle, he was surprised at the strange creature. And "Lord, save us," cried the duck. So all are very surprised. They were excited to see this, because we also, when we see two-headed animal, we all will be shocked, isn't it? Surprised. So "Lord, save us," cried the duck. "How does it make up its mind? It doesn't look to me as though it had any," said Zip the dog. See, dog name is Zip. Okay, children. Jip. The dog name is Jip. And this doctor said, "Chi-Chi is the Pushmi Puliyu, the rarest animal of the African jungles. It is the rarest animal in the African jungles, the only two-headed beast." Beast means what? Animal. Beast means what, children? Animal in the world. "Take him home with you and your fortune made." Fortune made means what? Luck. Understood? So the monkeys are telling to the doctor, "Take this Pushmi Puliyu to your home with you. Take him home with you and your fortunes made. People will pay any money to see him, because they all were in the Africa only, but they have to go to some other place where the land of men are there." Okay, children. So the animals are telling you, take home with you. So, "But I don't want any money." But what Dr. Dolittle is telling, "I don't want any money," said the doctor. "Yes, you do," said Dab Dab. Dab means what? Duck. Okay, children. Don't you remember how we had to pinch and scrape? Pinch and scrape means what? Live carefully on very little money. Live carefully on very little money. They were having little money. In that one only, they have to pay the butcher's bill in Pudalbai. and Betches Bill and Puddle by means to spend little money as possible to be very tight. See, to spend little money as possible. What happened with the little money they were spending their life and in their tight condition also, and especially with the aim of saving up for something bigger. See, they want to save more money, but they are not having more money. So they are telling you, take this push me pull you so that you can get more money. And how are you going to get the sailor, the new boat? So the Dr. Dolittle was planning to get a new boat because he was traveling to many places. He was traveling to many places, and from his house now they came to Africa. So without boat only, what they did, they were borrowing the boat and they came to Africa. So what the animals are telling, you want to buy a boat also, then how will you buy the boat unless we have the money to buy it? So I was going to make him one, said the doctor. So when the animals were telling, he's telling, no, I'm going to make a boat. I'm not going to buy a boat. I'm going to make a boat. So, oh, do you be sensible? Sensible. Have you sense? We'll say no. Like that, the animals are crying. Dab dab. Dab dab means what? Duck. Where would you get all the wood and the nails to make one with? So it's duck is asking where you will get the nails and how you will make it and how will you get wood and all. So, and besides, what are we going to live on? So with that money only, how you will buy nails or wood, or how we are going to survive for food. So we shall be poorer than ever. So we will become very poorer when we get back. So Cheech is perfectly right. So Cheech is perfectly right. Take the funny looking thing along do. Well, perhaps there is something in what you say, murmured the doctor. But doctor is murmuring. What is something true is there. Like that he is murmuring. It certainly would make a nice new kind of pet. What he is telling. Yes, it's sure. You can make a nice new kind of pet. But does the ear, what do you call it? Really want to go abroad. We want to go abroad. So, if you want to go abroad, we have to have money. We have to save money. So they planned. So they were talking to the Dr. Dolittle, and they made him to change the mind. Yes, I'll go. So after that, what Dr. Dolittle is telling? Yes, I will go. So the Push Me Pulley also accepted to go with Dr. Dolittle because the Push Me Pulley was noticing the face of the Dr. Dolittle. They were very confident that he is a very kind man. He is a very kind man, as the monkeys said. So they trusted Dr. Dolittle, and they planned to go with Dr. Dolittle. And what you have been so kind to the animals here, and the monkeys tell me that I am the only one who will do. But you must promise me that if I do not like it in the land of men, you will send me back. So what Push Me Pulley is telling, I will come. Sure, I will come with you. But one promise you have to make. What promise, children? What promise you have to make? That if I do not like the land of men, what you have to do? You have to send me. You have to send me back. You have to send me back to Africa, they said. So the Dr. Dolittle was, he made an agreement. What? Why certainly? What? Agree with something that was just been said. Agree with something that has been said. So as the Push Me Pulley said, he said, yes, he agreed. Of course, said the doctor. So at last what did he did? He took Push Me Pulley to the land of men, and he led a happy life. Okay, children, because he was very kind. What? See, can you see? This is Dr. Dolittle. Okay, children, this is duck. Okay, children. So what happened? He was a very kind man. He know the language of the animals. So what he did? He wanted to make this rarest animal to take to land of men, and he wants to make a show. At last, what happened? Pushmi Puliyu accepted, and Pushmi Puliyu also went with Dr. Dolittle. Okay, children, this is the story of the rarest animal of all. Rarest animal of all. So, children, what you have to do? See here, 4 meanings they have given. See here, rarest, menagerie keepers, menagerie keepers, menagerie. Understood the pronunciation? Menagerie keepers. And then what? Beast and prick, pinch and scrape. Okay, children, 4 meanings are there. If you want, along with that one, 5th one, you can add this one. Gaze. Gazing means surprise. Gazing means surprised or look steadily. Look steadily. So 5 meanings are there. What you have to do, children? You have to write and send me in WhatsApp. This is the homework. Write 2 times. You have to write 2 times. Okay, children? Children, read this lesson. In Zoom class one day I will make you to read this lesson. Okay, children? You read this lesson, and no one should avoid this. I will give chance for everyone. Okay, children? We'll meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye.